Hey, John. Hi, John. My name is Johnny with York Public Adjuster. I just left John's house. They moved there about a year ago.
Yeah.
We just did a roof inspection. I don't know if you can see there, but we marked up some damage from wind and hail up there. We just wanted to let you know what we're doing out here.
Yeah.
So this is information on our company, on who we are. We just finished the John Deere building.
Yeah.
Here in Lexington.
Yeah.
Our main office is here in Bloomington.
Are you a roofer?
Yeah, we're roofers. We're roofers.
Let's go ahead and take a look at mine, huh?
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So when you're looking for siding damage or damage to the elevations, you have to be very meticulous because there's a ton of hidden damage. This is from the storm over the weekend. Oh, there's another piece right here. We want to look at the window screens as well. And the gutters. York Public Adjuster. We are doing roof inspections in the area due to the hailstorm that we had this weekend. Give us a call for a free, no obligation roof inspection, siding, and gutters inspection. It's kind of like when you go to the doctor. You'll get everything fixed up, and once we're done, we'll turn in the bill to your insurance. So give us a call.